L&D person, but it's a good start for me to further my learning. And I'd like to go more in depth, get an in-depth knowledge in this. Also, a behavioral change because I'm a developer. I used to be an e-learning developer, now an instructional designer for a year now.
Oh, so Ritchie, when you're an ID guy, instructional design, okay, create your instructional design content basis the experience that your target group has. That is very, very, very critical. Get into that spiral learning process of their experiences, of their earlier learning, correlate the two, and then create your design content. Believe me, it will be.
I already doing it right now because last June of this year, I also attended CID.
Okay.
So I finished CID, and now I'd like to further have in-depth knowledge in learning and development. Also, like what I was saying a while ago, it's a good behavior change, so I could see actually what L&D does. Also, what you thought about those practical approaches